Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Backflow Preventer insulation cover. Okay. So there, wow, this is actually a really nice looking one. A lot of cushion on that too. So this is the 24-inch by 24-inch. So this is going to be plenty big enough to cover my backflow preventer. But I also got this in gray. I like gray just because it doesn't matter if it gets dirty. It's going to kind of take on the color of whatever attaches to it. As long as it goes on evenly, this is still going to look good even when it's dirty. And I don't want to spend a lot of time just washing this thing. Now this does have, we actually got Velcro on here too. Now that's nice because on the bottom, you do want to have this kind of sealed on the bottom as much as you can because you don't want air to get in there and like pick it up and blow it away or anything like that. So the Velcro is a nice thing. We also have these loops on here. So if you want to, you could use that to attach cables or something like that. Or you can actually put a padlock on here. So if you're worried about somebody taking this thing, you can just put a lock on it and that'll solve that. So we got Velcro. We also got these eyelets. And plenty of insulation in here. Like I can feel there is a ton of insulation, which is very important because if you let your backflow preventer go, then you know it's going to crack and then you're going to have to pay somebody to come and repair it. So you want to keep that thing in good shape. This is how you do it. And one thing I can definitely say that I like about it is that there is not a bunch of tags and stuff on here. There's this one right here, say that it's inspected, but I don't see like a big branding all over it. So that's nice. I like that I don't have to see that on here every time I walk by it. But yeah, plenty of room in here. So I'm gonna be able to put that, I'm gonna go put that on right now because it is starting to get cold. I don't want to have to deal with the consequences of not having this thing on. So all I'm gonna do is open it up, drop it over top, and close the Velcro on the bottom. Cool. So nice and easy and great for the peace of mind.